Hey everyone, it's Mr. Lau. I'm just here to walk through real quick how to send messages in Talking Point, the differences between sending an announcement and sending personalized messages to the people that you need to get them to. So first things first, if you want to go ahead and log into Talking Points, afterwards you should see this screen, something along these lines. So for me, I'm going to show how to send specified messages to those in some of my classes. So to begin, we can see that there's the send an announcement button after I click on the specified uh, classes that I want to send a message out to. So sending an announcement means that you'll send it to all the people on this list. It will automatically send it to all the people. So if you click on that, it will automatically select those in the entire group. But to send to specific people, all you have to do is first you can check mark everybody and then uncheck mark those that will not need this personalized message. After that, you will see a big button, big blue button that says send a message right here. So in this example, only Alexandria, Charles, DeMarco, Elvis, and Isabella will get this message when you press the send a message button. And that's pretty much it. So just make sure you have everybody else uncheck marked. And after that, we know that those that are check marked right here will be the only ones that show up when you send the message. So if these students did not show up to class, I can write, dear parents, your child, did not show up to class today. And then you just press send, and it'll just send it to those 5 who are selected. All right. Hope this helps. Thanks. Have a good day.